Hello, my name is Morgan Sell, and I'm an organizer with the West Virginia Working Families, and we're here with the West Virginia New Jobs Coalition outside of Senator Capito's office here in Martinsburg, West Virginia, asking for $10 trillion for future generations of West Virginians. It's time for Capito to invest in West Virginia families and infrastructure for families. Human infrastructure is something that we desperately need. Roads and bridges are just not enough. Roads are good. We're happy to have roads, but if we don't have a car to drive on it, then it's pointless for us. We need to invest in our families, create affordable childcare for our children while we're at work, and an elderly plan for our state that has one of the highest elderly populations in the nation. So we're here outside of Shelley Moore Capito's office here in Martinsburg, and we're asking for her to invest in the Thrive Act, support the Thrive Act, and put $10 trillion back into this nation, 50,000 good-paying union jobs every year for 10 years to invest in the Thrive Act. We're asking Senator Capito and Senator Manchin to do that, and we're out here today calling on Capito.
Yay!
Calling on Capito. Yes.
Do the right thing, Shelley Moore Capito.
Do the right thing. We're asking Shelley to invest in West Virginia families, to invest in infrastructure for families so that working families can have a car to drive on those new roads that she wants to put into place. Yes, we need broadband. Yes, we need new water and sewer, but we also need care. We also need to provide for our families, and that shouldn't fall on the working class to pay for it.
No.
We have to raise the corporation rate so that they can pay for this infrastructure bill, that the working families should not have to bear the burden of it. So we're here with organizers across the state, here with JB Christensen.
Hi.
JB, how do you feel today? What do you want to say about Capito?
Well, I just wish she would come around and help West Virginia citizens.
That's right.
You know, get back to work. And there's a lot of things in this Thrive bill that would help all facets of society and bring more jobs and more money to West Virginia. More
jobs and more money. And when's the last time we saw Shelley Moore in the state talking to real West Virginians? Do we know? We're not sure.
I don't know. Yeah, I hardly ever see her. I see her very seldom.
So we invite you, Shelley. We welcome you to West Virginia to talk to us more, to hear what real West Virginians want. We want jobs. We want jobs.
Family-sustaining union jobs with good benefits, retirement, and health care, and a future for our kids.
That's right.
Good jobs in the future. This is $10 trillion, $1 trillion a year to invest in our people.
That's right.
And in our infrastructure. It's critically important. This is a particular moment in time in history, and it's time for Shelley Moore Capito and Joe Manchin to do the right thing for West Virginia workers and support the Thrive Act and Biden's infrastructure plan, the entire plan. We need care for our people.
Yeah, we need to go big, we need to go bold, and that's why we're asking Senator Capito, don't compromise on our future. We want our families and our children to be able to have jobs and raise their families here in the state. So that's why we're out here today with the good people of West Virginia. We invite Shelley Moore to come out and speak with the people of West Virginia to hear what they want. They want jobs.
Jobs.
They want
jobs.
Good paying union jobs. Ones that are good for the health of their families.
Jobs with dignity.
Jobs with dignity. Infrastructure for the family. That's what we want. So we're out here in 4 locations statewide calling on Capito. Roads and bridges are not enough anymore. We have to do more, Shelley. We have to do more for families, and we have to do more for the future generations of West Virginia.
We have to invest.
We have to invest. If we're going to be putting all this money into infrastructure, let's not forget the people. All right, let's not forget the people. When you spend billions and billions of dollars, remember who's going to be driving on those roads and across those bridges. Who's going to be benefiting from those waterways and those systems. We need to invest in human infrastructure as well as the other infrastructure in the state.